Hello everyone. Today I will explain to you this ultrasonic transducer, an application of gluing and threading. Because this transducer, if the wire is not replaced properly and not glued, if it touches metal, it will spark. It's easy to spark. First, it will damage your ceramic sheet and the ultrasonic generator and burn out the circuit inside this glue. In fact, there are many kinds of silicone on the market. There are many kinds of this kind of glue. Many people use the cheap one, hot melt glue to apply, but its heat resistance index is not high. The one we buy is imported, which has a higher heat resistance index, and the impedance is small, and the impedance is relatively small. So let's apply one now. This glue is all imported. This angle looks better. After gluing like this, just wait for 3 or 4 hours. It will dry by itself. This is the glue we used. This glue is imported. Its impedance is relatively small. This transducer, so many on the market, the transducers they make, don't use glue or change wires, like us. In order to improve the service quality, we have done this. When the customer takes it, and can be used directly by plugging it in. Look at us. We have 2 types of plugs. This type is more common for those who do automation, which are commonly used, such as generators and spot welders, a more commonly used plug. We have already done it for them. When we lock the back cave on it, it will be shipped directly. We have finished making them now. We put them there for aging. And then look at this one. Like ours, this is a plastic welder model. Why do we need to put this on? It's because our plastic welder, the slave, it moves up and down here. And it operates cyclically day. So we are afraid, the skin, and this, and wear out the skin of the audio cable. If it's worn out, it will spark again. So the length of our wire will be longer, and then put on a protective tube, which is high voltage resistant, 3000 volts high voltage resistance. It's automated. It doesn't need tube, because it doesn't have a pneumatic up and down movement. It won't break it. So, this glue. You must buy imported glue. You can also use domestic ones, but you need to find the right one with a higher heat resistance index and low impedance. It looks so beautiful. Right, this is good glue. The poor one, it's like a honeycomb. It's not evenly applied. So the market is not good now. We should do a good job in after-sales service to make customers worry-free and use it smoothly. For seamless plastic welding, find Ultrasonic.